Hello, this video will cover how to use Screencast-O-Matic. This is a cool software. They do have free options, but I do have the cheap version for educators where you can get 3 years for, I believe it was $36 or $32 that I had last year. Anyway, you're going to go to Screencast-O-Matic. You can search that on any Google site and it should bring up this homepage. Sign up, it's free. You're going to click on that orange button, and what I do is I signed up with my Gmail account to keep it easy, the work account, so I went ahead and used my account for FCC at Gmail, and you can put in any email account here if you're not going to use the Gmail or Google sign up. And then you're going to go ahead and create your account and follow through. Once you've created your account, your screen should look something like this. I am using the browser Firefox, so if you're using another browser such as Chrome or Safari, it might look a little different. You'll see here I have 0 videos because it's a brand new account. I have my folders where I can organize it. There is an editor and launch recorder. Again, I'm using the free account, so you might see some additional items if you did choose to sign up, but I would go ahead and use the free and see if it works for me before I would go and pay for any advanced features. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to launch the recorder to get started. And of course it's already open because I'm using Screen-O-Matic to broadcast or to copy my screen. And pretty much this is going to conclude this video. This is how to set up an account for Screencast-O-Matic, and you might ask, why would I need it? Well, you need this if you plan to share your screen or if you're showing someone or teaching someone how to do it. This is great, great use for online or hybrid courses or in a current state of affairs. This is an opportunity to share your screen or monitor without violating social distancing rules of 4 to 6 feet. So any questions you can post in the comment area of YouTube, or you can send me an email. And remember, experience joy in the journey. Make the most of today.